Good morning to all. Today we will do Unit 23 of Gregg Shorthand book, Anniversary Edition, page 100, Chapter 8, Unit 23, Omission of D. It is Gregg Shorthand book, Anniversary Edition. Mind, remind, command, demand, diamond, dividend, intend, extends, pound, expound, compounds, abound, beyond, command, contend, attend, command, contend, attend, admit. Firstly, it is important to learn something. Only in D and T, in content and content, both are written. Content, means content will be written like this, content will be written like this. Okay. In intend and extend, both T are written. Intent, extend, both T are written, but in intend and extend neither is written. Intend, if we want to write intent, it is intent. If we want to write intend, it is intend. Extend, intend, intent, content, intend, extend, intent, content. Okay. Admittance, admitted, advocate, admiration, then admirable, advent, adventure, adverse, adversary, admonish, adverb, admire, advance, advise. Now next, we admire, in advance, we advise, contested, requested, insisted, demanded, extended, compounded, ulster, ultimatum, almanac, alternate, alternative, submit, substance, subside, substance, substances, substance, subway, thoughtless, homeless. For less L is added. Homeless, needless. For less L is added. Subeditor, subhead. Okay, now how will we do this? Key to brief form drill, and there are brief form derivative drill. We will firstly write all of them, then we will check from the above exercise. Let's do it. The first word is acceptable. Acceptable. Acknowledgement. Acknowledgement. Addressed. Addressed. Addressee. Addressee. Advantageous. Advantageous. Advisable. Advisable. Agreeable. 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 First done. Second, agreement. Agreed. Answers. Appearance. Appointment. Asked. Third one, beautiful. Booklet. Bookkeeping. Careful. Causes. Charged. Clearly. Third one is done. Now it's time for fourth one. Collectible. Fourth, collectible. Considerably. Correspondent. Credits. Desirous. Educational. Fifth, effective. Enclosure. Explanation. Favorable. Favorite. Favors. Forced. Luck favors the brave. Forced. Sixth, formerly. Fully. Greater. Greatly. Goodness. Houses. Seventh line, kindness. Kindest. Kindly. Kindly. Letters. Likely. Longer. Eighth one, longest. Mostly. Myself. Namely. Names. Obligations. Ninth, occasionally. Preparation. Publisher. Publisher. Purchaser. Qualities. Recovered. Regardless. Regards. Tenth one, representative. Satisfactorily. Necessarily. Necessity. Successfully. Surely. Usually. Unusual. Wished. We have done. Now we will check. It is right. Acknowledgement is right. Addressed is right. Address is right. Advantageous. Advisable. Advise नहीं. Advantage. Advantageous right. Advisable right. agreeable right, agreement right, agreed right, answers, appearance, appointment, asked, beautiful, booklet, book, bookkeeping, careful, causes, charged, clearly, collectible, considerably, correspondent, credits, desirous, educational. Fifth, effective, enclosure, explanation, favorable, favorite, favors, forced. Sixth one, formerly, fully, greater, greatly, goodness, houses. Seventh one, kindness, kindest, kindly, और फिर ये है letters, likely, longer, longest, mostly. What is this? No, it is not names, it is males, I think. Eighth one, names. Oh, it is myself, namely, names, obligations, carefully, preparations, publisher. Okay, publisher is wrong. Publisher, R will be below B, not there. Publisher, 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 purchaser, qualities, recovered, regardless, regardless. Their less is like this, means if we want to write need less, there will be single L. But if we want to write regardless, regardless means with brief form full less is here. But if there is not brief form, then there is a simple word, then only L will work. Now 10th one, representative, satisfactorily, necessarily, and then necessity. Oh, I have put TE, but there is no requirement of E. Necessity, successfully, surely, usually, unusual, wished, done. We are all done. There are two mistakes. First is regardless, second one is publisher, and third mistake is necessity. We will write the mistakes below. The first mistake was regardless. The second mistake is necessity. NECESSI, necessity. And the third mistake was publisher. Okay, thank you for watching the video.